A beautiful showpiece to decorate the house or insert the car under hydraulic pressure. I put a time clock under the hydraulic pressure. Flattening instantly as the hydraulic pressure falls. Friends, this time we put a very thick iron block under the small hydraulic machine. Friends, see how steel glasses are plated with a short time with the application of hydraulic pressure. I put a hydraulic floor jack under a powerful hydraulic machine. Friends, I don't know what these are in a different color. If you know, please comment. Now we put an walkie-talkie under the hydraulic pressure and see what the pressure does. After apply hydraulic pressure on a rubber toy, see what happened to the toy, friends. See what happens when pressure is applied to a piece's weight when a powerful hydraulic machine. We are experimenting with hydraulic work on several weighted platforms. This is plastic toy spring and let's see what happens when hydraulic pressure is applied to it. What happens when hydraulic pressure is applied to the rubber ball? I put a homemade showpiece under hydraulic pressure. Friends, you may have never seen someone put an egg under hydraulic pressure. Now we will experiment with hydraulic pressure on a orange juice packet. Put a strong lock under strong hydraulic pressure and see what happens. The powder clamber as the hydraulic pressure fell from above. This is what you guys recognize as the swimming goggles under hydraulic pressure. Little by little hydraulic pressure is falling on the showpiece and it is breaking little by little.